As an Ascend Fellow, I am promoting mental health in New York State by co-designing services with youth and families.
I'm a part of shifting child welfare from separating families to keeping families together.
I am advocating for state policy that supports the future economic well-being of every low-income child in California.
As an Ascend Fellow, I am increasing economic mobility for Latino communities through two-generation education programs that focus on outcomes for both young children and parents.
I am advancing early childhood policy systems that reflect Indigenous strengths and support healthy Indigenous babies, mothers, and families.
As an Ascend Fellow, I am establishing a coordinated system of care at the intersection of education and healthcare.
I'm building a liberated ecosystem that empowers BIPOC social entrepreneurs in early childhood to catalyze change across communities nationwide.
I'm using the power of direct cash payments to reshape how we think about kinship and collective care.
As an Ascend Fellow, I'm undoing the systemic barriers Black fathers face while attempting to flourish in society.
I'm advancing early childhood systems to provide equitable support for families by leveraging community resources and promoting policies and practices that meet the needs of families striving to navigate poverty in a place of hope.
I'm reshaping early childhood advocacy in Florida by bridging family and educator voices with executives and elected leaders.
I'm engaging parents as partners and centering race and culture so that schools are ready for kids.
I'm using innovative teaching programs to bring more teachers into early childhood classrooms.
As an Ascend Fellow, I'm using novel research to understand relational well-being and family economic well-being among Indigenous families with young children.
As an Ascend Fellow, I am mobilizing a network of funders committed to advancing the health, development, and economic security of young children and families.
I am growing the number of childcare programs in Nebraska by creating a clear pathway to licensure.
I am engaging communities to transform and destigmatize mental health in our country, starting with the New York City school system.
As an Ascend Fellow, I'm reimagining what perinatal healing and wellness looks like for birthing people of color.
I am shifting power and decision-making through an organizational structure that centers asset building for home-based childcare providers.
I am revamping adoption subsidy programs so that adoptive families have access to comprehensive behavioral health services.
I'm creating conditions for Black families to self-determine what they need to secure themselves and advance their well-being.
As an Ascend Fellow, I am building the future by bringing together all adults who have a stake in raising the next generation.